So hello guys, in this video we are going to be learning about how to make a cue card. So let's get started. So first of all, you'll have to make a perfect journal line by selecting a keyword, because if you have selected a keyword then you can make a journal line which will be your punchline. Okay, and in the second advice, give an intro statement. Okay, so give a perfect intro statement, like, as for the opportunity of talking about dash dash, I would like to talk about dash dash. Okay, at first we have given the general line by a keyword, and in the second we have given a perfect intro statement, and after that state what, why and how of your story. Okay, state what, why and how of your story, and in the end your cue card by a general ending line or by telling your feeling. Journal ending line or telling by your feeling. And if you want to know what are the journal ending lines and what type of feeling you should tell so that you can manage to end your cue card, and what type of what, why and how you should tell, and how to make a perfect intro statement, just follow my Instagram channel as well as follow my YouTube channel. Okay, and if you want to get the IELTS classes at 60% off, please call me on 99147 89567, WhatsApp and call anytime.